welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going back into one of the Bratz palettes. Today we're going to be testing out the YASMIN palette, and this is by Makeup Revolution, and they did a collab with Bratz. So if you haven't seen my other videos, go ahead and check those out. I will link them in the description box down below. I've already tried out the Sasha palette and then the Limitless palette, which was like all the girls together. So today I'm excited to try the YASMIN palette. It looks really fun, and it's filled with pretty much neutrals and like a little bit of pops of color. But I thought this one would be fun to try today. I'm getting ready to go to work, so I thought we would test this one out, see how it does, and give you my thoughts on it. So this does retail for $22. I have honestly liked the other two that I've tried, so I'm really excited to see how this one goes. And of course I'm going to be putting swatches so you guys can see what the colors look like and everything. And in the background, I don't know if you can see there, but Darby's like asleep on my bed back there. So if she's moving or making noise, just ignore her. She kind of blends in with the pillows and stuff. But yes, so today, like I said, we're going to be going into the YASMIN palette. And I honestly love all the Bratz. I think this collection is super fun. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on into it. And here is the packaging for this one. Oh yeah, and with most of these videos, I have my base makeup done. I'm just going to be testing the eyeshadows. And I do have a little bit of highlight on, but I do want to add some and try one of the ones from this palette. So I think I am going to go in with the shade Flaunt It, which is right here. I'm going to go in with this one a little bit on a brush. So I think that highlight honestly did a really good job. It has a really pretty kind of sheen to it, so I really like that one. Starting off, I'm going to be taking the shade Zen, which is like a mauve kind of color. I'm going to be taking that throughout my crease and just blending that through. Here is that color blended out. I think that was super easy just to blend throughout the crease. And today I'm not going for a really crazy colorful look. My other two past videos kind of were. So this one, since it's more kind of neutrally-ish, I want to kind of stick with that route for this video. So yes, so this is this one. Let's go ahead and go in with the shade. I don't know what I want to do here today. I guess we'll go in with I Rule, and it's like, we're going to go in with I Rule, which is kind of like a nice berry tone, and I'm going to focus that kind of more in the crease, but not up as high. I'm kind of blending it into the Zen shade, so. Okay, so now that we have that just kind of deepened it up a little bit, I am going to go in with the shade Beauty Mark, which is just a dark brown. And I am going to be focusing that right on my outer corner just to deepen things up a little bit. Okay guys, so that is the brown shade kind of blended in just to kind of deepen up the crease a little bit there. And for shimmer today, I'm trying to decide what kind of color I want to do. It's hard to decide, honestly. You know what? I think I am going to go in with this gold. I know it's really not a shadow, I guess. But I'm going to go in with the crown color and just take that on my finger and just pop that on the lid because I think it would be really pretty, honestly. So let's test that out and try it. Look how pretty that gold is. I'm loving that. Darby, no. She's barking in the middle of my video. So this is that gold shade. I honestly think it is so pretty. It's normally, I think, supposed to be a highlight, but it is beautiful as an eyeshadow too, so I'm glad I tried that out. So next I'm gonna be doing the lower lash line, and I think I'm just gonna do simple and go in with the Beauty Mark shade, that brown again, and just kind of drag it along the bottom of my lower lash here. So there's that on the lower lash. I do want to go in with a bit of a inner corner highlight. So let's try this shade called Inner Peace. I believe it is this one right here. Let's go ahead and go in with that one and just put a little bit on the inner corner. Okay guys, I will be right back. I'm gonna pop on some liner, some lashes, some mascara, and we will see how the look looks all together in the end. So I will be right back. I also just wanted to say I've been using this LA Girl Jet Setter liquid eyeliner, and I never used like liner pens like this normally. But I'm loving this so far. It's really good and it is so inexpensive. So if you're looking for a good eyeliner, check this one out because so far I'm loving it. Okay guys, so here is the eye look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's super cute. So I am going to go in with one of the lip plumping glosses. These retail for $12 and I only picked up two. I have the Jade and the Chloe shade. We're going to be using the Jade shade. There's the name right there for you, but it's just like a pinky mauve. Now these are lip plumping glosses, so they do give you kind of a minty plumping type of feel, and they do have more of a minty scent. These are really huge too. Like, I don't know if you can tell how big this tube is, but they are ginormous. These have a really good amount of pigment to them too, and they have a nice plumping feel. It's not like overbearing or over the top. It's like the perfect kind of mint. It's not too crazy, so I really do like it, and it's very comfortable on the lips. It is a little bit of a thicker formula, I would say, but I honestly like that because I do think it is a little bit more long wearing than some of the other glosses that I own. So I'm a fan of this as well. I really do like it. This is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching, seeing how I did this. I really do love this YASMIN palette. I think it's honestly probably the best out of all of the other ones that I've picked up for the everyday person out of the Bratz collection. I think for the everyday type of look, this one probably is the best palette because you do get a lot of neutrals with just a little bit of pops of color. Some of the other ones are a bit more colorful, I would say. But of course, this collection is very nostalgic, and I think a lot of people pick it up for collector's reasons, but honestly the products themselves are really good. They perform really nicely. I haven't had any trouble with them, so I'm excited about this. I love it. So both these products are a hit for me. I think the look turned out super cute. So if you guys are interested in watching the other videos I have done on the Bratz palette so far, I will link them in the description. I have 2 more to test out. I have the Jade one and the Chloe one. I had to send the Chloe one back because it had 2 repeat shades, so I finally got the other one in the mail so we can try that one out next. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.